Hi, welcome to our calculator. I'm going to simulate some costs for some alloy wheels which I found on Alibaba. They look fine. Let's say that I assume the price is $80. $80 per piece, that is. I'll fill in 80, 0. Our calculator is blind to dots, so you have to use comma. The help text here telling you about price. This text explains about item size unpacked or packed. If you know your package size, then you don't have to add package material. If this field is checked, it will add 20%. Our calculator will add 20% volume and 10% weight. I don't know any package size, so I'll leave it checked here. I'll have to fill in the dimensions. There are some explanations here. If for instance, if an item is round, you would have to assume that it would be square. Just write the size of a box that it would be filled into. Let's say that a wheel here is round, so and it's 17 inches. That corresponds 42.5 centimeters. I calculated that, and the same dimension I'll fill in as the width, the height. If we assume that the wheel would be lying down and it would be 7 inches, that corresponds 20 centimeters. The weight I checked elsewhere, it's 7 kilos, and I want to import 4 wheels. Now this is what I'm interested in. If I would be interested in other items, I can check this one and get more lines and even more lines here, but in this case I'm just interested in the 4 wheels. Our calculator has calculated total quantity, a volume in decimeters, a weight total, price total, and this is a check field. Does it look right that the weight per liter would be 0.18? We have to think that there would be some air in the package because the wheels are cylindrical, so I say yes, that looks right. The next thing is you should paste the link to the supplier's website. And you should do it in German text actually, but that's not very complicated. I'll show you here. We go to the alloy wheels, and on Alibaba you can choose Deutsch, and voila, everything in German. So I will copy paste the German URL and fill it into this field in my calculator. And now I can continue to the next page. Oh, oops, I forgot one thing, which is the form purpose. I can either just do cost simulation for playing with the figures, just to find a price, to find out whether it's interesting to import these wheels. If that's what I do, I will check mark this field. If I want to order the fields, I check mark the other field. Freight for your order. In this case, it's a cost simulation. So I'll just continue. I could actually, just to go back one bit here, I could actually save and bookmark the calculation here for later use. It's rather heavy on the computer, lots of simulations, so it can take some time on a slow computer. I did not want to save and bookmark. I want to go on with this one. I have to pick my country. In this case, I'll pick Denmark. And continue. And for further, you have to go to this site and click the video tutorial